Hardwood decking is the holy grail of natural decking materials. These boards are the ideal choice for those who want low maintenance and high style. Unlike softer woods, hardwood decking is more durable and less likely to scratch or mark. The hardwood itself is sourced from slower growing trees known as broadleaf trees. With it being a tropical hardwood, the grain of hardwood is so tight, meaning it does not need to be pressure treated. If you choose to invest in hardwood for your decking, you will enjoy a wood that not only looks great but can deal easily with pests, rot, harsh weather and anything else you can throw at it. Here at eDecks we offer 4 kinds of hardwood decking: smooth-faced Balau, smooth-ribbed hardwood, castle-top and anti-slip. Our smooth-faced Balau boasts waxed ends to stop splitting and is also kiln dried. This process is critical for Balau decking to ensure it has a long lifespan. When smooth-faced Balau is oiled, it looks absolutely beautiful. Our smooth-ribbed hardwood comes finished with 2 different profiles, giving you the ultimate flexibility and allowing you to be creative with your outdoor space. Our castle top is much like the smooth-faced Balau. This hardwood has waxed ends to stop splitting and is also kiln dried. Its profile is like that of the top of a castle, hence the name. And finally, our anti-slip Balau process utilises a specially formulated and highly durable combination of resin and aggregate, which is professionally inserted into the machine grooves of the timber decking. Whatever your style, at eDecks we have the right hardwood decking for you. Our wide range, including accessories such as handrails, spindles and newels, plus cut to size options, allows you to create your perfect patio no matter how big or small your garden is. Hardwood decking might have a reputation for being the more expensive option, but at eDecks you'll find great prices across all our high quality hardwood decking. Once your hardwood deck is installed, look after it. We really recommend oiling once laid and then once every 12 months thereafter. We sell decking oil as well as brushes, deck protection tape for joists and our invisible eFix hardwood Balau plugs for an immaculate installation.